Black alert. Black alert.
All right, guys, there it is, the USS Discovery model kit by Polar Lights in 1/2500th scale. And I just got this model. I'm very excited about it. I want to shoot a video right away to kind of show you guys this kit and show you why I'm so excited about it. I haven't looked much at the instructions. This is kind of the first time I'm taking a look at the kit and its decals and its parts. But already there's some things that have me so excited. I want to kind of just shoot this video right away so that you guys can see what we're looking at along with me. As we do this build, we're going to do most of it right here on YouTube. So we would love it if you would like this video and subscribe to follow along with the build. So let's start right off. This is the box art. So like most of the unified box art we're seeing this year, we get a nice hero shot right on the cover. This time we don't get a captain, we get Michael Burnham. Discovery kind of changes out the captain every season, it seems, and this really is our series lead. But when they give us a fun little quote, they are giving us one by Gabriel Lorca. Blink, you're an Alari. Blink, the moons of Andoria. Blink, you missed Romulus. All those planets, all those places, all those species seen and yet to be seen. Captain Gabriel Lorca. I love that they put little quotes from the captain on there. Well, it might have been a little more appropriate to give us a quote by Michael. Here is kind of an undershot of the ship. Following the box along, we get another kind of reverse angle, USS Discovery. We get a shot about the decals, and the decals are a pretty exciting part of the ship. When we get to the decals, we'll see those in detail. Comes with a base with a ball joint. Another shot of the ship. Now the bottom of the box, we get 28 parts, molded in color, full color paint guide, USS Discovery NCC 1031 Crossfield class starship. And along the box we do get our decal guides and our paint guide. So check out this channel. There are 2 videos that we've posted in the past couple days about what paints we're using. We really are right in line with what Polar Lights is suggesting: light gold, silver, bronze. It's a good looking ship. Check out those other 2 videos. I think we found the paint colors we're going to use on this build, and they're right in line along the lines of what round 2 is suggesting. Now I know you guys all want to start seeing the parts, and we'll look at the parts a little bit more tomorrow when we start taking things off the sprue and start seeing how it goes together. But I wanted to make sure you guys saw some of the parts tonight. So starting off, not the dome base that we've been getting on a lot of the round 2 kits. We get kind of a specific one here with a ball joint. Kind of a very elegant looking little base. Next, we have the nacelles. They are long on this ship. So we get 2 nacelles, very nice and long, and the spine to kind of go up that hole to the saucer sections. Our next 2 sprues are really the main parts of the ship. So we get the saucer halves, the hull halves, a few extra little parts. Look at that detail on that bridge dome. Now let's try and get an angle that really shows the color. I think that is a fair representation of the color plastic that this is molded in. In some of these videos, it may start looking a little more brown. Great detail. But I think that is a fair representation of what color it actually is. Now the next part sprue is the one that has me really excited. I did not know we were getting this, but clear parts. So clear parts on a 1/2500th Trek ship. And look at this. So we get a little dome that will go under that bridge. We get these long clear parts that are going to go on the nacelle. On the ship, those glow blue. So on the inside of the nacelles, looks like that clear part is going to fit right in there. And then we have, those are the fronts of the nacelles. Okay, so clear parts. I'm not sure if I'm quite daring enough to do it, but you really could. Just stick a 3mm LED shining out through this clear part and a 3mm LED shining back here, and you'll light that blue strip, you'll light that red front of the nacelle, and it might not be crazy to try and light this ship. I was not expecting clear parts on this ship. I wasn't expecting to light this at all. I'm still not sure if I am. But yeah, they're giving you clear parts for the front, for that glowing blue line along the back, and that's enough room for some LEDs. If you're good at working LEDs into small places, that's not bad. That is all right. We're going to have to look at it tomorrow when I get some of these parts off the sprue, whether or not there's actually room in there to stick some LEDs. It wouldn't take much. It would just need a couple red LEDs to shine back here for these lights. And maybe, let me see, do we have, okay, we have a clear deflector housing. Looks like that clear deflector housing would fit right in there. So that wouldn't be hard at all to put a blue deflector dish LED shining right here. Looks like we have clear parts. Yeah, that is a clear part to give us that lit line right here on the ship. I think that, yeah, I'm going to have to figure out where that goes. Yeah, I think they give you a clear part to light these white strips right in front of the ship. And you're going to have some engines to go along the back. So we're just going to have to see if there's any room to actually shine an LED onto this clear part and onto the clear parts back here. If there's enough room, we might do that. Yeah, that's exciting. Then, you know, there's even a chance you could put a little LED right here and light up that bridge dome. Yeah, that's exciting. I'm very excited about those clear parts and kind of some of the room they're giving into you. Look, here's the shuttle bay door. I don't think we've seen the shuttle bay closed in season 2. If you watch the show, they're flying around the entire time with an open shuttle bay. But those are the plastic sprues. If you can't tell, I'm excited about those clear parts. I don't know if I'm going to light it, but somebody is. The next part that is so exciting, and like I said, I had to shoot this video right away. I was so excited about those clear parts, and I was so excited about these decals. I know it's really silly, but I love that you're getting the ISS decal. So you could just cut that USS off, stick the ISS on, and you can have your Mirror Universe Discovery. But look at these decals. So of course we've got the Aztec decals. And I don't think the video is going to do it justice. They look brown in the video. These are actually really gorgeous metallic decals. Take a look at this stripe right here. That's gorgeous. Look at the detail on these decals. If you don't want it to be the Discovery, you can also make it the USS Glenn NCC 1030. So you get 2 decal sheets like that to kind of cover the ship. And I really want you guys to be able to see the detail on these Aztec decals. I think this part must be for the nacelles. But if we get in there, look at that detail. That is some gorgeous nacelle Aztecs. Look at that. These things are just going to be gorgeous. It's really begging you just to paint it one solid color and really let those decals do the work. People are going to be able to get real close to your model and just be amazed at the detail on that. So yeah, overall, obviously we've got to get the kit put together before we really can make any judgments. But yeah, I am excited, guys. I love those decals. I love the clear parts. I'm excited to kind of see how it all fits together. I'm excited for you guys to follow the build. You know, it really seems that Round 2 is putting together some pretty good kits these days. So starting tomorrow, we will start taking some parts off the sprues, gain an idea of what we can actually do on this build, seeing how well things fit together, and we'll start doing the build. I would love it if you guys were like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow along our build. It would go a long way to helping us do these preview videos for you. And we'd love to hear your comments. If you guys have any ideas or comments or thoughts on the ship, please go ahead and put them in the comments down below. And thank you all very, very much for watching.